Today is February 29, 2016, and right now I'm here overlooking the Banawe Rice Terraces, one of the 8 wonders of the world. As you can see, I'm at the top viewpoint now. Top viewpoint of the Banawe Rice Terraces. One of the top viewpoint. Ito ate, di ba? O ito yung mataas?
Oh, dito na ang top viewpoint.
Okay, kaya nga top eh. So ito yung pinakamataas na viewpoint ng Banawe. As you can see.
Batad.
Or, I'm sorry, Batad. Which is part of Banawe. Tama ba ate? Okay. So this is the panoramic view. Jace, maingit ka. Are you saying this? Are you saying what I'm saying? You're such a loser. Tumatawa si ate, oh. Si ate Florence pala, ang aking tour guide sa aking short trip na trek dito sa Batad Rice Terraces. Tama ate, ha? Batad Rice Terraces. Okay. So, sa susunod ulit, sama kayo sa biyahe ko.